Have you ever wondered what happens to the pit inside a sweet, juicy lychee? Most people simply toss it in the trash, but what if you could turn that leftover pit into your very own tropical tree? Imagine growing a lush, leafy plant in your home or garden, all from a fruit you enjoyed as a snack. Lychee trees are beautiful. Their glossy leaves and striking shape add a touch of the tropics wherever they grow. Growing a tree from a pit is almost like magic. It's a rewarding way to reduce kitchen waste and get closer to nature. All you need is one fresh lychee fruit, a little patience, and the right care. Even beginners can sprout a lychee tree with the right steps. And the result? A living reminder of how food scraps can become something wonderful. Let's dive into how you can turn kitchen leftovers into a beautiful exotic tree. No green thumb required. Is it really possible to grow a lychee tree from a store-bought fruit? The answer is a big yes. Lychee trees can sprout from seeds found right inside the fruit you buy at the market. It's a fun project for gardeners of all levels, and you don't need any fancy equipment to start. However, growing lychee from seed takes time. Lychee trees are slow growers. They need a lot of patience. Sometimes it can take years before they're large enough to make fruit. In fact, most lychee trees started from pits take 5 to 10 years to fruit, and sometimes even longer. But don't let that stop you. Even if your tree never gives you fruit, it will still reward you with glossy leaves and a sense of pride. Watching your plant grow from a seed is a journey full of small victories. So, if you're ready for a fun, long-term project, let's get started. The rewards, both big and small, are well worth the wait. Start with the freshest lychee fruit you can find. The fresher the fruit, the better the chance your seed will grow. Avoid dried or shriveled fruits as their seeds may not be viable. Look for lychees that are plump, shiny, and free from mold or soft spots. Peel the fruit and enjoy the juicy flesh. Gently remove the pit from the center. Rinse off any leftover fruit bits under cool water. This step is important because leftover pulp can cause the seed to rot. Use your fingers, not soap, to clean the seed. Next, soak the cleaned seed in a cup of water for 3 to 7 days. Change the water daily. This softens the seed coat and helps wake up the seed. After a few days, you might see a small crack or root starting to form. Once the seed begins to split or sprout, it's ready to plant. If it doesn't sprout after a week, go ahead and plant it anyway. Some seeds just take a little longer. Find a small pot with drainage holes. Fill it with a light, well-draining potting mix. Something made for tropical plants works well. Avoid heavy or clay soils which hold too much water and can rot the seed. A mix containing peat, perlite, and compost is a good choice. Plant your soaked lychee seed about an inch deep in the soil, with the rounded side facing up. Cover it gently and water until the soil is just moist, not soggy. Too much water at this stage can harm the seed. Place the pot in a warm spot, like the top of a refrigerator or a sunny windowsill. Lychee seeds sprout best when the temperature is between 75 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Be patient. Germination can take 2 to 4 weeks, sometimes longer. Check the soil every few days. Keep it moist, but never waterlogged. Once you see a green shoot, you'll know your lychee is on its way. When it comes to growing lychee trees indoors, the very first thing you need to know is that lychee trees absolutely thrive on light. They're sun lovers at heart, and giving them the right amount of light is one of the most important steps to growing a healthy, happy plant. If you want your lychee to flourish, you'll need to mimic the bright, tropical conditions they're used to in nature. As soon as your seedling emerges from the soil, it's time to move the pot to a spot where it can soak up plenty of brightness. But here's the trick. You want indirect sunlight at first. Direct rays can be a little too intense for young seedlings, so filtered light is best in the beginning. If you have a south-facing window, that's honestly the ideal location. South-facing windows get the most consistent bright light throughout the day, which is exactly what your lychee needs to grow strong and healthy. At first, direct sunlight can be a bit too harsh for your young plant, but as it matures, it will start to crave more and more light. Gradually, you can introduce it to stronger sunlight, letting it adapt over time. This slow transition helps prevent leaf burn and encourages robust growth. Along with light, water is another crucial factor. Lychee trees like their soil to be evenly moist but not soggy. Overwatering can be just as harmful as underwatering, so it's important to find the right balance. The best way to check is to stick your finger into the top inch of soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. If it's still damp, wait a day or two before checking again. This simple habit helps prevent root rot and keeps your plant healthy. Lychee trees really dislike having dry roots, but they hate sitting in water even more. Soggy soil can suffocate the roots and lead to disease, so always make sure your potting mix drains well. Good drainage is absolutely essential for healthy growth. Use a pot with drainage holes and consider adding perlite or small pebbles to your soil mix to help excess water escape easily. Another key factor is humidity. Lychee trees are native to tropical regions, so they're used to air that's moist and warm. If your home is dry, especially in winter, your plant might struggle. In their natural habitat, lychee trees grow in places where the air is always humid and the leaves are often kissed by gentle mists. Recreating this environment indoors will help your plant thrive. If your house tends to be on the dry side, try misting your plant's leaves every few days with a spray bottle. This adds a little extra moisture to the air right around your plant. Another great trick is to set your pot on a tray filled with pebbles and a bit of water. As the water evaporates, it increases the humidity around your lychee, creating a mini tropical zone. This simple setup helps keep the air moist, which is especially important during dry seasons or if you use indoor heating. As your lychee plant grows bigger and stronger, you can slowly increase the amount of sunlight it receives. Move it closer to the window or give it more hours of light each day, always watching for signs of stress or leaf burn. Remember, strong, healthy leaves are a sign that your plant is getting the right balance of light and humidity. With a little attention and care, you'll create the perfect environment for your lychee to thrive indoors. Lychee trees really thrive in warm temperatures, and their natural habitat is the subtropical and tropical regions of Asia. These trees are used to basking in plenty of sunshine and warmth, which helps them produce those delicious, juicy fruits we all love. If you want your lychee tree to flourish, it's important to try and mimic these conditions as closely as possible, even if you're growing them far from their native climate. Ideally, you want to keep your plant somewhere between 70 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature range is perfect for healthy growth and fruit development. If you can maintain these conditions, your lychee tree will reward you with lush foliage and, eventually, fruit. It's important to avoid cold drafts and definitely never expose your seedling to frost. Even a brief exposure to freezing temperatures can damage the delicate leaves and roots, setting back your plant's progress or even killing it. If temperatures drop below 50 degrees, it's best to bring your lychee indoors or protect it with a plant cover. A simple frost cloth or even an old sheet can help shield your tree from sudden cold snaps. Remember, lychee trees are sensitive to the cold, so it's better to be cautious. Even though lychee is a tropical species, it can actually adapt to indoor life in cooler climates. With the right care, you can enjoy a thriving lychee tree inside your home, even if you live somewhere with chilly winters. If you live in a region with cold winters, just keep your tree inside by a bright window. South-facing windows are ideal, as they get the most sunlight during the day. The more natural light your lychee receives, the better it will grow. A grow light can really help during those dark winter months. Supplemental lighting ensures your plant gets enough energy to keep growing, even when the days are short and cloudy. Choose a full-spectrum LED grow light and keep it on for about 12 to 14 hours a day. But don't let the plant sit near heaters or air conditioning vents, since sudden temperature changes can stress it out. Fluctuations in temperature can cause leaf drop or stunt growth, so try to keep your lychee in a spot with stable, consistent warmth. For folks growing outdoors in warm zones, like USDA zones 10 and 11, you can plant lychee trees in the ground once they're about a year old and nighttime temperatures stay above 50 degrees. Outdoor planting gives your tree plenty of space to grow and develop a strong root system. Choose a sunny, sheltered spot outside, away from strong winds. Wind can dry out the leaves and damage young branches, so a protected location is best. If possible, plant your lychee near a wall or fence that blocks harsh gusts. Remember, lychee trees love warmth and steady conditions. Consistency is key. Try to avoid moving your plant around too much or exposing it to sudden changes in its environment. Protect them from chills, and they'll reward you with steady growth. With a little attention to temperature and climate, your lychee tree can become a beautiful, productive addition to your home or garden, no matter where you live. As your lychee tree grows, it's going to need more space for its roots. After the first year, check if roots are poking out the bottom of the pot. If you see that, it's time to repot. Choose a container that's about 2 to 3 inches wider than the old one. Always use fresh potting mix when you repot, and be sure to handle your plant gently. Lychee roots are pretty delicate and don't really like to be disturbed, so try to keep the root ball intact as you move it. After repotting, water thoroughly and place the plant in a shaded spot for a few days to help it adjust. Feed your lychee tree with a balanced, slow-release fertilizer once a month during spring and summer. Cut back on feeding in fall and winter when growth slows down. Prune any dead or weak branches to keep your tree strong and healthy. With the right care, your seedling will slowly become a sturdy young tree, ready to fill your space with some real tropical charm.
Know you've been a good friend.
When it comes to growing lychee trees, one of the most important things to remember is that patience truly is your best friend. Lychee trees are not fast growers, and they certainly don't reward impatience. If you're starting your lychee journey from a seed, you're signing up for a long-term project, one that can be incredibly rewarding if you stick with it. Most lychees grown from pits take at least 5 to 10 years to produce fruit, and sometimes, despite your best efforts, they may never fruit at all. This is perfectly normal and nothing to be discouraged about. Lychee trees grown from seed are unpredictable, and their fruiting habits can vary widely. Some trees might surprise you with an early harvest, while others may take even longer or remain fruitless. Even if your tree does eventually bear fruit, keep in mind that the lychees might not taste exactly like the ones you remember from the store or from the original fruit you enjoyed. Seed-grown trees can produce fruit that's a little different in flavor, size, or even color compared to their parent plants. This is part of the adventure. Each tree is unique and you never quite know what you'll get. But don't let that discourage you. The process of nurturing a lychee tree from a tiny seed into a thriving plant is just as rewarding, if not more so, than harvesting fruit. Watching your plant grow, change, and respond to your care is a journey filled with small victories and learning experiences. Focus on keeping your plant healthy and vibrant. Enjoy observing how it changes through the seasons, new leaves unfurling, stems thickening, and roots filling out the pot. Each stage is a sign of progress and a testament to your dedication. If your main goal is to enjoy homegrown lychee fruit as soon as possible, consider purchasing a grafted lychee tree from a reputable nursery. Grafted trees are usually much quicker to fruit, sometimes within just a few years. However, there's something truly special about growing a tree from seed and watching it develop over time. The journey is unique, and the connection you build with your plant is unlike any other. Along the way, it's easy to make a few common mistakes. Overwatering is a big one. Lychee trees don't like to sit in soggy soil, and their roots can quickly rot if they're too wet. Using heavy clay-based soil can also suffocate the roots and stunt growth. And don't forget, lychees are tropical plants, so exposing them to cold drafts or dry air can cause stress and leaf drop. Keep an eye out for warning signs like yellowing leaves, droopy stems, or a pot that feels heavy and waterlogged. These are signals that your plant needs a change, whether it's less water, better drainage, or a warmer spot in your home. Address problems early, and your lychee tree will reward you with healthy growth. Don't be afraid to adjust your care routine as you learn what your plant likes best. Always remember, growing lychee from a pit is a lesson in patience and perseverance. It's not a shortcut to fruit, but rather a slow and steady journey that teaches you about nature, growth, and resilience. So enjoy every step of the process. Celebrate each new leaf, every bit of growth, and all the lessons learned along the way. With time, care, and a little bit of luck, your lychee tree will become a beautiful part of your home and your gardening story. There's just something special about growing a tree from something you'd normally throw away. With a little time and care, your lychee pit can become a striking, leafy houseplant, or even a tree for your garden. Its glossy leaves, elegant shape, and tropical vibe will brighten any room or yard. Even if your lychee tree never produces fruit, it's still a beautiful plant. You'll learn about plant care, patience, and honestly, the magic of watching life unfold from a simple seed. Sharing your tree with friends or family can inspire them to start their own gardening journeys. You'll also help reduce waste and make use of every part of the fruit. Every time you see your tree, you'll remember how something small can grow into something truly wonderful. So don't toss that lychee pit. Plant it, nurture it, and enjoy the journey. The rewards, big and small, are waiting for you, right from your kitchen counter.